Madam people, before I invite our leaders to join us to flag off this Ogbe Hubogoro, let me just clear one or two statements credited to some people I heard on television and read on newspapers. Some people said it's only God that will decide who will be president and not G-5. Please, for those of them who make that kind of remark, understand our background. Understand our background. We are alive today. We're where we are because of God. Nobody can even breathe air if not God. Not to talk about holding a position. So nobody can tell us that it's only God. We know that it's only God that gives power. But our prayer is to our God. Don't allow those who will sell off Nigeria in next 1 second to be in power. Our prayer is God. Don't allow anybody that you have an agreement with and in the next 2 minutes the person will change. Our prayer is that Almighty God will not allow those who will betray their brothers when they've agreed with their brothers to do something. God, may you never allow.